Good day to all of you. 2 years have been passed since I started to dream, and I believe that to finish my studies is a stepping stone for this. Actually, at first, I didn't want to take Bachelor of Science Information Technology because I thought of a little knowledge in fields of computer. But time had passed, and little by little, I learned to love the path I chose. I tried to find the easy way of learning information technology. My passion in art has been shown in my studies. I just want to connect technology and art to inspire and help others, and most especially to fulfill my dreams. Another thing that pushed me to really love my course is because of my friends. I'm happy hanging out with them. Our escapades, laughter, bonding moments, and teasing times make my college life more memorable and unforgettable. I hope our friendship will last even if we finish our studies. I know my dreams are not yet gone so far. I believe I can finish it through the help of my true friends, understanding professors, ever supportive parents, and most especially, love of God. I have gone this far, and I will continue what I have been started.